Christmas. So Boho, let's see, Jennifer said, kitschy to me, and I appreciate that, Jennifer, that you put to me in parentheses. Jennifer said, kitschy to me means sentimental with a sense of humor, like pink flamingos on a front lawn. There we go. That is a great example, Jennifer. Thank you. That's very well worded. But I love that you said to me, and I need to get better at that. I should say kitschy to me means this. Kitschy to me means this. Okay, so next up we have Boho Christmas. Boho Christmas is going to be the other primary line that I have included in my December documented project kit this year. Again, 12 by 12 papers, 12 by 12 sticker sheet. These guys, because of course I had to do these, the number bits, we might as well start with those. Look at those, number bits, 1 through 31. So these are perfect for doing a December documented, December daily type project, because then you have the numbers to number each of the days where you're telling a little story or a photo. So these I just love these so much. They're probably about maybe 1.5 inches, so not super tall, but beautiful red color. Those are included in my kit. The other thing that is included in the kit from Boho Christmas, the foam stickers. So those are part of the big bundle, but I don't sell those separately. But the foam stickers, because I just loved so much all the really bright colors. And then like that, and oh, what fun, and fa la la la, and joy, and just loved this set so much. So those are the main things from Boho Christmas. So if you were waiting to know what was included, now you know, because this is the only a la carte product that I have that is in that kit. Otherwise, 12 by 12 papers, sticker, 12 by 12 sticker, foam stickers. And then there are other things in the kit that are not part of any of these new collections. So you'll just have to wait and see what those are. Alrighty. 6 by 8 paper pad, 2 sheets each of 12 different designs, but everything is double-sided, so you have 24 patterns. Look how fun that is. I just love that, that font. I think it's so fun. Nice little holly berries, presents, wrapped presents. Nice floral. Like a little old-fashioned Santa Claus. Maybe more of a, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of a German Santa Claus, maybe. Or an old world Santa Claus. Nice polka dot. Other floral, Christmas trees, love those Christmas trees. That is one of the papers in my December documented kit. I think that one is too. I was just looking at them earlier today. Got that little Santa all over, a nice basic green plaid. That's a wonderful plaid. Holly jolly. Scottish Santa in his plaid cap. Yes, absolutely could be that, Melissa. Love that one. Little miscellaneous or multicolored polka dot. Like little pom-poms on a present. Christmas gifts come and go, but Christmas memories last a lifetime. Little pink trees. Oh, I think that's the one. I don't remember. Anyhow, there's one of those. Oh, that one's in the kit too. And then you have the 3x4 cut apart cards with the fa la la. I think that one's in the kit too. 3x4 cards, little nice, kind of reminds me of snow on craft. And then those repeat again. The pine tree stencil, look how fun that is. This is, must not have the other ones a la carte, maybe just this one a la carte, I can't remember. But that little pine tree stencil I just thought was so much fun. Then we have the rub-ons, beautiful rub-ons. These are another one I can tell that I will be putting into my personal December documented project when I start working with it in December. But look at all those, just a little December 25s. I love that stack of Mary. Nice little string, if you will, of leaves and berries. Those two are awesome. And then we look on the other side. Holly jolly, I love that like work there. That's so fun. Holly, 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 jolly, jolly, jolly. Good cheer, good cheer, good cheer. And then kind of some little black little line art. Yes, cute, cute, cute. Oh, this is so funny. Tabitha's not, that part's not funny. Tabitha said she loves this collection. The funny one is Karen said, okay, this one instead. Well, Karen, it sounds like you need to get the December documented project kit because it's a mixture of Dear Santa and Boho Christmas with some other, a few other things thrown in. An exclusive, a 3x4 mail by mail stamp. is part of the kit. Vicky's, I think goodie bag. That's the mixture of vellum and acetate and die cut. Really fun. Some great, really fun, kind of different enamel dots. Anyhow, you can wait and see till the 25th. It'll tell you everything that's part of the kit. Super cute. I love the kind of pink, a little bit of blush pink in this collection. Kind of brightens it up a little bit. Again, the title treatment. Look at, there's like a little macrame hanging. Circles. Little labels with places to write things. Word strip stickers. This one, love. I'll use the heck out of that. All those white word strip stickers. That's my weakness. You know, word strip stickers are my weakness. Nice little floral. Oopsie. Christmas trees. Oh, numbers. These have colored numbers, right? 1 through 31 in the colored numbers. Oh, look at little snow globes. Those are so fun. Those are really fun. And then some banners. And that wraps up the Boho Christmas sticker book. We looked at the number bits. We have the regular bits and the journal bits. I'll just do this. I'll hold these up so you guys can see. Look at the Santa. That Santa, I love that Santa. That's one of the main reasons. The Santa and then all the great title work with the font. One of the main reasons that I wanted to use part of Boho Christmas in my December documented project this year, because I think it's just so fun. And trust me, I will blend Boho Christmas with Simple Vintage Dear Santa very well. You'll be like, oh, that looks so great together. I never thought it would work that way. Totally will. Just so fun. Those are the bits and pieces, the regular bits. There are 54 of those. Cute little cameras in there. Love the little bottle brush trees. How much will the December daily kit cost? Denise, I think it is, I gotta go back and look. It is 80 or 85. Don't quote me. It's 80 or 85. Last year it was 78. I know for sure last year it was 78. So prices have gone up a bit just because manufacturer prices have gone up a bit. But I can't remember, 80 or 85. All right, but you'll know for sure on Friday. Hello there. Hi, Nancy. Hello there. Cute Christmas die cuts. Oh, yes, for sure. And then we have the journal bits. So let me open those up really quick. Journal bits. You are looking at, again, especially for your December documented, December daily type projects, great pieces for, adding a little bit of journaling. Even if you normally don't like to journal a lot, in your types of projects like that you're doing in December, it's great even if you're just adding a couple of words, because that's kind of the whole point behind that project, is to tell a little story with a photo or without a photo every day during the month of December, either 1st through the 25th, which is always what I do, 1st through the 25th, or the 1st through the 31st. Nice thing about those number bits that I showed you, those go up to 31. So if you wanted to extend past the 25th in your project, you could, because you have the numbers. All right, washi. I am going to pull out the washi. You put these things back in the bag. While I do that, I will put the big bundle up there again. Karen, is it a class, the December documented? Oh, yes. It is the project kit. So the kit will include everything you need to put the project together, all the product, along with colored step-by-step instructions, and then a video class where I make the project with you step-by-step. So that's probably between a 4 and a 5 hour class, just because it is a lot. What am I doing? That's the big bundle. This will be the 16th year in a row that I've done the project for myself, and the 9th year that I've had a project kit. Nancy said, really like those, nice for just a touch of notation by a photo, the journal bits, absolutely. Okay, so let's take a look at the washi for Boho Christmas. So right here, I have to the left the big bundle. So again, big bundle is just about everything included in the collection. So everything that I showed you including, as well as the 12 by 12 collection kit, the chipboard frames, the foam stickers, oopsie, the foam stickers, the the foam stickers, the chipboard, the stencil, the decorative brads. Anyhow, the website will tell you everything that is part of that, but lots of things. And the big bundles, I price them when I put them together at 15% off because you're buying all of it. Makes it very easy when we're pulling orders. When you say big bundle, then we just grab the whole bag, as opposed to, I want this and this and that. And of course we will do anything that you need, but let's see. 12 by 12, Karen, 12 by 12, what? Karen, the December Documented is a mini book project kit. It is a mini book project kit every year. So it is not a 12 by 12. It is a 6 by 8. Well, this part is 6 by 8. The album is bigger than 6 by 8, but that's what the base of the project is. Karen, what you should do, if you want to know more about kind of the whole thing, if you go to my website and search for December Documented, you will see last year's project. And there is a flip through video of it, I believe, completed. So you can see after, so the project kit comes out, we get it all ready. And then during the month of December, I personalize it. I document every day. And then on my blog, every day I show exactly what I did to kind of add to it with my photos and my stories for that day. All right. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry, guys. I don't remember if I put that up to the camera. So let me go back and do that because I was chatting. So Dear Santa washi, and that is Boho Christmas washi.